Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. This time, let's talk about the apps of the Apple Watch. The question for today is, can you group apps on the watch? Well, there's no way to create folders for apps, just like you can for the iPhone apps. But there are still some ways to customize the layout and put apps closer together. The way that it works is by using the Watch app on your iPhone. It, of course, has to be the iPhone that the watch is paired to. So open up the Watch app, and little closer towards the bottom, you can see the menu called App View. So tap on it to get inside. Here, you can pick if you want to see the apps in grid or have them in list. When you choose the list view, there's no option to customize it because in the list, the apps are sorted alphabetically, which is actually pretty useful, by the way, if you quickly want to find an app. But stay within the grid view, and below it, you have the arrangement buttons. You can see the exact same apps that you have on the watch and also the exact same layout as well. So once you're here, just drag out the apps to new locations and organize it the way that you like. With this, you can group apps together that you, for example, use often, or it's up to you to decide the way to organize it, but this is the technical way to do so. And that's basically it from me. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to this channel so you never miss videos like these in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.